If you want to digitally or electronically sign a PDF document for free, here's how to do it. First, go to canva.com. Sign up if you don't have an account. It's free and useful. Then we'll log in. Once we're on the home page, we'll click on this Upload button. Then press Upload Files and find your PDF document. Wait until the PDF shows up under Uploads, then click on it. Now our PDF is open. Let's use this Zoom option at the bottom of the page. So here's where I need to sign on this document. On the left-hand side, find the Tools button. Then go to this Draw button. We'll select the top one, which is Pen, and go to Color, which I'll set to black. Now take the mouse cursor over where you need to sign on the document and draw your signature. This pen is a bit thicker than I would like. Let's go up here and press Undo until the signature is gone. I'll go back to the Draw tab and this time press Settings. We can reduce the weight of the pen so it draws thinner. Now I'll go back to the signature line and draw again. Now I'm done with this PDF. I need to download it. At the top, press File, then Download. We need to choose the file type. If you're going to print, press PDF Print. Otherwise, select PDF Standard. And then press Download. Now we'll open the downloaded file and see our signature has been digitally saved on the PDF document.